Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You, and Deloitte NLA exam mail is out. The exam is on 3rd and 4th of February. Many of the students did not receive any email from Deloitte. Many got rejection email. All of these things we will try to understand in this particular video. I request all of you to please do watch the video till the end, because everything I cannot cover instantly. And one more thing, if you'll see here, so where is it? Yeah, so I have also put some kind of analysis from the Telegram group. So there we will try to understand how many of they got update from Deloitte mail for test or rejected email. Okay, so all those things we will try to understand and see here. Okay, fine. So before we go ahead, friends, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, because now we will start uploading one short video for your Deloitte examination, so that you perform well in the exam. But I had already told you, friends, if you'll watch my previous video, the Deloitte exam will be happening in Feb first week, and that the same thing has happened. Okay, if you don't trust me, no problem, you go to this channel, okay, and then you see this particular video. Where is it? Yes, TCS and Deloitte, crack TCS and Deloitte NLA exam dates. So here you go and watch. Your exam will be offline or online, all those things we are going to talk in this particular video. Anyway, let us start. So friends, here if you'll see, so Deloitte today sent the exam mail. So thank you for registering. You have successfully registered for the national level assessment. This platform will enable you to go a step further to discover your impact with Deloitte. As a next step, we will send you an email for you to choose an assessment date and time slot. Please keep checking your emails in the future for the same. Kindly also refer to this important technical specification for a seamless assessment experience. Recommended device, only a laptop. Okay, so the exam is going to happen online. There is no doubt. They have sent an email that online assessment, about online assessment. Okay, camera check, cookies and pop-ups, so all those things. Okay, next email what a student received. So thank you for registering for the national level assessment by Deloitte. Your candidate ID is this. To book your preferred test slot, please use this following link and select your online assessment. So the exam is going to happen, my dear friends. Exam is going to happen online. There is no doubt at all. And the exam is on 3rd and 4th of Feb. Okay. Now, friends, the exam will be happening in multiple days, okay, multiple phases. So those who have not received any email, so you will be receiving it. Please don't worry about it. Okay, so you will be definitely receiving it, because in 2 days for so many students the exam cannot be completed. For so many students the exam cannot be completed, so you need to wait, and please choose your slots. Don't delay. As soon as you are receiving the email, you need to choose the slot. Okay, now let us come back here. Many of you received the the rejection email also. Here you could see, thank you for your interest in the national level assessment and for the effort you put in the application. After careful review, we regret to inform you that your profile does not meet our current eligibility criteria, and we will not be moving forward with the selection process. Okay, we appreciate your interest in Deloitte US India official. Okay, now so let us try to understand the reason. Friends, one thing, so there are many 2025 batch graduates had applied, and this hiring is completely only for the only for the 2026 batch. So definitely you will be rejected. So 37% of the student is rejected here itself. Second, friends, 2026 batch graduates also is rejected. And see, the reason will not be only photo on your resume, because I know there are many students, okay, there are many students who did not have photo on their resume. They have still received the selection mail. So see, they check your profile, basically your resume, and based on your resume, see if they have more hiring about Java or maybe Python, so they filter profile with this. Or maybe if somebody has done the project, okay, somebody have not done any internship, so there will be a lot of parameters will be there that will not be known by anyone. So this is also expected. 47% students are telling I have not got any email, so please don't worry about it. So these exams will be happening in phases, so you will be receiving the email. Okay, now how many got update from the Deloitte? So 10% received shortlisted mail, 57% received rejection mail, 37% still no update. Here you see, So 88% are telling rejection mail and 12% only telling the assessment mail. So rejection has happened. Deloitte does like that only, and nothing can be done here. There is no exact reason. Even last year also same thing had happened. So there is no exact reason for this. Okay. Now, friend, Deloitte exams will be happening in Feb first week, that I have already told you earlier. And then solve as much as previous year questions. TCS exams will be also happening in March meet. Now I am telling, please keep that in mind. Okay, March meet till May meet. Focus on consistency. Don't wait for the exam date. Keep preparing. That is what I had told. Now you have only 2 dates, 3rd and 4th of Feb. Now let's see how are you going to prepare. Anyway, this is our plan for Deloitte TCS and Deloitte exam, which we were already doing it, where we were also solving coding questions plus technical MCQs, right? So here you can see technical MCQ classes with Monisa ma'am. Okay, again technical MCQ classes with Monisa ma'am, but I know people did not take it seriously. Let us see the syllabus. Okay, friends, now also you have another 2 days, so please go and get this Deloitte NLA crash course. Read for 2 days. Definitely you will be able to utilize it at most. Okay, so there will be a lot of things will be there, and 2 days if you go through the previous year problem, okay, then also you know it will be very, very beneficial for you. So go through all the previous year questions, and then what you do now, try to solve all the MCQs, at least whatever you can do in 2 days. Please do it. This will be definitely beneficial. Friends, Deloitte is a very good company. Don't regret later. Sir, you are promoting your courses. One thing, if you feel that I am promoting, you don't buy, my dear friends. But if somebody getting selected tomorrow, right, then definitely this 700 rupees is nothing, right? So if you feel it is promotion, then you leave. But tomorrow, if you don't clear the exam, there will be only regret. So 2 days also you will be able to cover a lot of things which is required for exam. At least previous year question and technical MCQs you need to go through. Then let us see the syllabus, exam pattern. Okay, so let us see here the exam pattern. Now, so friends, English will be there, aptitude, then technical skills and technical skills coding. Okay, MCQs and coding. So MCQs, fill in the blanks, 10 MCQs plus 3 fill in the blanks, and then aptitude 12 reasoning plus 10 aptitude. Technical skills MCQs 30 number of questions. Technical skills coding, live coding nugget, programming questions, 1 coding nugget, 1 programming question will be there. Okay, so this is very much important. This is very much required. So please go ahead and go through this, and then only you will be able to clear the exams. I don't want to talk more about that because I wanted to make a short video to tell you, okay, this Deloitte exam you need to clear at any cost, 2026 batch. If you clear this exam, you will be getting a lot of confidence and you will be able to clear other exams as well. So 2 days you have to give your best. YouTube also videos will be coming. So if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, because here one shot videos definitely we always bring, and now also we are going to bring this one shot videos. So please go through and subscribe to that and get this course as soon as possible. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care.